Training in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today I have with me our newest 15-day board and train. This is Brewster. Brewster, hey, can you say hi? Over here, big man. Brewster is about a 6-year-old golden retriever. Dad brought him in today because they recently just rescued another dog. So they wanted to just put both boys through training. They want them to have the same basic obedience, same everything. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump in and see what Brewster does and doesn't know. Where'd you go? Hey Brewster, can you come? Hi, good job. Over here. Brewster, can you sit? Wow, that's such a good boy. Good job, buddy. Brewster, can you down? No. Brewster, hey, can you lay down? Can you lay down? Oh, we can jump and you're a big boy. Okay, buddy. Brewster, can you heel? Hey, over here, man. Can you heel over here? No, that is all right. Well, as you can see, he did give me a sit, so that is something. He's definitely a pretty big boy. He's a pretty big jumper. Just stay tuned for the rest of this video to see Brewster's amazing transformation. As always, thanks for choosing Bulletproof.
Katie and Sam, and this is Paperclip and Brewster. These two are 5 years old, and this one's had a good bit of commands in the past, but just needed a re-up. This one did not know his name or sit or anything. But just after today, working with Maggie and Kenzie, we really have come a long way, and the boys know how to heel, they know how to come to sit, they know down, which is just really, we're grateful because we take our dogs everywhere, and we're used to having them just be quite a handful. So this is really nice to have them to just understand what we're saying and just have them be safe with us.
Yeah. The whole process was very smooth. We dropped them off. You guys actually kept them for an extra week or so because of our schedule. It's very helpful. You kept us up to date every day, sending us videos and pictures, and yeah, we really appreciate the help, and we're excited for our dogs to behave themselves now.
Yes.